Welcome to HTML course. This course is provided by Daniel Andre. So, what is the outcome of this course? Learning HTML, building simple web page with only HTML, start learning web development. So, the acronym HTML stands for, if you guys don't know, for Hypertext Markup Language. Is the standard markup language for creating web pages and web applications with cascading style sheets and JavaScript. It forms a triad of cornerstone technologies for the World Wide Web. Okay, guys. So for this course, I'll be using this editor. It's called Edit Plus. It's a very good editor. You can choose um, what kind of language do you want to code in, and you see that you have a large variety of options. So for now, what we're going to do today is to um, learn write on how to write in HTML. So first of all,